Can any sealant be used in vertical joints as wide as 3 inches? Great question, and the short answer is no. Applying sealants in horizontal and vertical joints over 1 inch wide is not uncommon, and it can absolutely be done successfully, but only when the proper products and installation procedures are followed. When joints get that wide, you need high-performance sealants installed at the proper dimensions to combat the effects of gravity in vertical applications. The biggest concern in wide vertical joints is slump, or sagging. As joints widen, the volume of sealant increases. If the material isn't formulated correctly, or if installation guidelines aren't followed, sealant slump can lead to improper bead configuration, inadequate sealant thickness, and unacceptable appearance. That's where the right Pecora sealants come in. Pecora offers a range of sealants approved for wide joints with excellent movement capability, adhesion, and weather resistance. Here are a few commonly used options for expansion and control joints, including wide vertical joint applications. Pecora 890 NST is an ultra-low modulus, non-staining silicone with broad movement capability and excellent adhesion to many substrates. Ideal for larger expansion joints in curtain walls or precast concrete. Pecora 890 FTS and 890 FTS Texture are field-tinnable silicone sealants available in smooth or textured finishes, allowing custom colors on site while maintaining high performance in wider joints. Pecora 864 NST is a non-staining architectural silicone with strong movement capability and long-term durability for both vertical and horizontal joint sealing. In joints wider than ½ inch, up to 2 inches, sealant depth should be maintained at ½ inch at the center of the joint. In joints from 2 inches to 3 inches wide, sealant depth should be maintained at 3/4 inch at the center. For joints wider than 3 inches, a mechanical performed joint system, such as Pecora Dynaspan for traffic applications or Pecora Silspan for architectural applications, should be considered. Proper backing is essential. Backer rods should be installed at approximately 25% compression to control sealant depth. A tight, compressed fit minimizes movement of the backer rod and reduces the potential for slump. With single-component moisture cure sealants, extended cure times can be expected in joints over 1 inch wide due to the increased depth and volume. Full cure may take up to 14 to 21 days. Open-cell backer rod can be used to allow ambient moisture to pass through and accelerate curing. Multi-component sealants, however, are not generally affected in the same way. High ambient temperatures, especially above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, can lower sealant viscosity and increase the likelihood of slumping. Substrate temperatures are also a significant factor. Surfaces exposed to direct sunlight can become significantly hotter than the surrounding air. Substrate temperatures in excess of 180 degrees Fahrenheit are possible on darker colored surfaces. If possible, apply sealant later in the day as temperatures begin to fall, and avoid installation on sun-heated surfaces. Pecora also recommends performing a field mock-up before wide joint installation, particularly on southern exposures where radiant heat is greatest, to confirm that sagging or slumping will not occur. If site conditions make sagging unavoidable, the sealant can be installed in multiple lifts. For detailed guidance on that procedure, contact Pecora Technical Services. So, can any sealant be used in vertical joints as wide as 3 inches? No, but with the right high-performance product, proper joint design, and correct installation practices, wide vertical joints can be sealed successfully and confidently. For more information on selecting the right Pecora sealant for wide vertical joints, consult the technical data sheets or reach out to Pecora's technical services team. They're there to help. Pecora, performance you can seal with confidence.